Hello, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to fix publishing error on Printify. Now, I'm going to be showing you step by step, okay? I'm going to be showing you multiple methods you can do to fix this problem, okay? So after you click here on my products, you will be able to see the products that have this error, which is publishing error here, as you can see. So what you need to do is you want to click here on duplicate. And what you need to do after you do that, after you duplicate this, as you can see, after it says here copy, you want to remove the one that says publishing error, which is the original one. You just click on three little dots and then click and then scroll down and click on delete. So after you click on delete, what you need to do is you want to change the name for the copy that you have duplicated now the product. Now you want to change the title or to rename it, okay? So just click on three little dots and then search here if you can find rename, okay? I'm going to check here if I can find here rename. Yeah, we couldn't find it here. So you just need to click on the title and it's going to take you here, and then you want to change this title, okay? So remove this copy and then make the title better, okay? So after that, you want to click on publish, okay? So after you click publish, see if this works. If it doesn't work, let me show you another way. Also, if you're using WooCommerce and like Shopify, for example, check if there is a problem with your host or your website. Just go, if you have like, for example, if you are publishing this to Shopify, you want to check if the Shopify has password on it. So you have to pick a plan in order for you to be able to publish products from Printify to your Shopify. You have to remove the password, okay? So that's very, very important. The same thing applies with any e-commerce website, including, like I said, WooCommerce and other e-commerce websites. Also, if there is any emoji in the text, it's going to be you are always going to receive the error. So make sure if there is any emoji in the text or in the description, any emoji, just remove it. That's going to be the reason, okay? Also try to add money. If you only have like a few dollars inside your Printify, you want to add more money to it in order for you to be able to publish more products to your website. Now, if you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments. Let me know which platform you are trying to publish products to. I will help you. I will try to help you with this. Just let me know in the comments. Please drop a like. That would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.